What's wrong, Keaton? Is there something in the wall? Can you see in his face? It's Keaton. Oh, what's wrong, Mowgli? Why is Keaton so upset?